Hello learners, how are you? I hope all of you are well. Today we are going to continue the series of trigonometry and we will continue exercise 13a. Now we are going to solve question number 17 as we have already solved till question number 15, and question number 17 is cot A minus cos A by cot A plus cos A equal to cosec A minus 1 by cosec A plus 1. Now LHS is equal to cot A minus cos A by cot A plus cos A. Now we are going to convert cot into the form of sine and cos, so it will be easy for to compare this cos. Hence it will be cos A by sine A minus cos A by cos A by sine A plus cos A. Now by taking LCM we can write it as cos A minus cos A sine A by cos A plus cos A sine A, and sine A and sine A cancels each other. By taking cos A, then it will be 1 minus sine A by cos A into 1 plus sine A. Now cos A cancels each other, hence it will be 1 minus sine A by 1 plus sine A. Now we can convert sine A into cosec A by inversing it, so it will be 1 minus 1 by cosec A by 1 plus 1 by cosec A. Now taking LCM, it will be cosec A minus 1 by cosec A, we will take it below, cosec A minus 1 by cosec A plus 1, and cosec A cancels each other, so it will be like that. Hence this is our since this is our RHS, hence proved. Simple. Now question number 19. Question number 19 is 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta whole square. Now left side is a much more simpler way, so we are going to solve for right side, or else in this time let us go for the left side, नहीं तो फिर सभी बोलेंगे सर आप तो केवल राइट साइड कर रहे हैं. So we are going to solve LHS, and LHS is equal to 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta, and we have to remove the bottom, that is denominator here, so we will rationalize it. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, so it will be 1 plus cos theta whole square divided by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta will be 1 minus cos square theta, which will be equal to sin square theta. So it will be 1 plus cos theta by sin theta whole square will be equal to 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta whole square is equal to 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta plus cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta whole square equal to RHS, hence proved. Simple. Or if you want to solve right hand side, then just convert cosec theta into sin theta, that is 1 by sin theta, and cot theta into sin theta, that is cos theta by sin theta, and then solve it. Okay. Now question number 21. Question number 21 is 1 plus tan square theta by 1 plus sec theta equal to sec theta. Now we are going to solve here LHS. So it will be 1 plus LHS first here. LHS is equal to 1 plus tan square theta by 1 plus sec theta is equal to 1 plus, as we know that tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. So it will be sec square theta minus 1 divided by 1 plus sec theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta plus 1 into sec theta minus 1, as it is in the form of a square minus b square, because 1 is the square of 1, and 1 plus sec theta. As we know that 1 plus sec theta is equal to sec theta plus 1, so they cancel each other, hence it will be 1 plus sec theta minus 1, 1 1 cancel, it will be sec theta only, which is our RHS, hence proved. Now question number 23. Question number 23 is 1 plus cos theta minus sin square theta upon sin theta into 1 plus cos theta is equal to cot theta. So LHS is equal to 1 plus cos theta minus sin square theta by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. We can write it as sin square theta. As you know that 1 is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta, so it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta plus cos theta minus sin square theta upon sin theta 1 plus cos theta. Now sin square theta cancels, and when we take cos theta from common from here, then it will be cos theta into cos theta plus 1 by sin theta into cos theta plus 1. Now cos theta plus 1 cancels each other. Now it will be cos theta by sin theta, hence it is cos theta, because cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta is equal to RHS, hence proved. Simple. Now question number 25. Question number 25 is sec theta plus tan theta by sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta whole square equal to 1 plus 2 tan square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta. Here we have to prove two things. This is equal to this as well, this is equal to this, so this equal to this equal to this. Okay. So now we are going to solve this first and trying to prove it as of this. Hence, by taking this sec theta plus tan theta by sec theta minus tan theta, and we have to remove the denominator, so we are going to rationalize it. Okay. Sec theta plus tan theta by sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta by sec theta minus tan theta plus tan theta, then it will be sec theta plus tan theta whole square divided by sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta will be sec square theta minus tan square theta, because it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So it will be sec square theta minus tan square theta, and as we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So it will be equal to sec theta plus tan theta whole square. Simple. Now we are going to prove sec theta plus tan theta whole square as 1 plus 2 tan square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta, and sec theta plus tan theta whole square. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square, so it will be a square, that is sec square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta. According to question, we have to remove only sec square theta because there is no sec square theta here, and as we know that sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, so it will be 1 plus tan square theta plus this tan square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta. So it will be 1 plus tan square theta for this sec square theta plus this tan square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta become 2 tan square theta, 1 plus 2 tan square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta. Hence sec theta plus tan theta by sec theta plus tan theta by sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta whole square equal to 1 plus 2 tan square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta. Proved. Now here question number 27. Question number 27 is sin theta plus 1 minus cos theta divided by cos theta minus 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay. So we are going to solve here LHS. LHS is equal to sin theta plus 1 minus cos theta by cos theta minus 1 plus sin theta. So we will solve it like that: sin theta plus 1 minus cos theta by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 into cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. As you know that cos theta, to bring it in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a minus b into a plus b, and again cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Now we are going to multiply all of these by cos theta, then all of these by sin theta, then all of these by 1. Hence it will be sin theta into cos theta, sin theta cos theta, plus 1 into cos theta, minus cos theta into cos theta, minus cos square theta, and then again sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, 1 into sin theta plus sin theta, minus cos into sin theta, minus sin theta cos theta, and then sin theta into 1 sin theta, 1 into 1 1, minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, divided by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 into cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 will be equal to cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square. Simple. Now sin theta cos theta and minus sin theta cos theta cancel, cos theta and minus cos theta cancel. Okay. So it will be minus cos square theta plus sin square theta plus sin theta plus 1 can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by evaluating this we can write it as cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1. Okay, hence it will be cos square theta cancels each other, and sin square theta will be equal to 2 sin square theta plus sin theta divided by cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 cancels each other, so it will be only 2 sin theta cos theta. Now when we take 2 sin theta common from here, then it will be 2 sin theta 1 plus sin theta by 2 sin theta cos theta. Now 2 cancel, sin theta cancel, then it will be 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. This is our RHS, hence proved. This is our last question. Now try to solve all questions and let me know if you have any doubts.